Guys, I am back from the salvage yard. I managed to get 4 things, 2 buttons, oh no, 3, okay, 2 buttons and 1 grill, and maybe, I guess the trim part counts, but here's the grill. Mugen grill for 08 TSX. It usually costs around $90 and I got it for $30. Oh, a real Mugen grill is like $600, but a rep one is like $90 plus shipping, which is like $50. So I just got it off the salvage yard. I'm not gonna tell you guys where it is because I haven't taken everything off the TSX I wanted. There's still a Greddy Exhaust that's $1,000. I'll be able to get it for $130 if I take it off, and I think that's all I needed. There's some Type S wheels, but it's only the back part. I'm just gonna show the video of me installing the grill onto my TSX, and I'll pick up the vlog when I go back there with Min and we just chop it up. Here's the grill, and it does come with hardware. I will be using these because you already know how my shit is. This is jank as hell. I'm gonna wash this first. There's like some oil on there, I think, and this thing just looks horrible. Time you're ever gonna see my car with this Acura grill. It actually doesn't look that bad, to be honest, but I'm just gonna rock the Mugen grill because it's something I really wanted. Gotta get the gloves on because this shit gonna be hot. Well, I got it on. It looks, I thought it would look better. It kind of looks like shit. So if anyone wants to buy that Mugen grill for $50, please let me know. If I paint match this, it would still look like shit. But if I paint match this, it would look way better. What a waste of $50. Hit me up, I got you for this Mugen grill. Well, maybe it'll look better with the lip kit and everything, but I'm not sure. That looks like something you drive. Nah, I drive a BRZ, bro. Want the exhaust, man?
Hell no.
Damn, that's tough.
Yeah, man. I don't even know if this would fit in my car. You see how dirty this shit is, man?
Damn, but this though.
Oh god, like I heard this exhaust on YouTube, and it sounds so good. Alright guys, this is the TSX right here. This shit's scuffed. Look at this. A Type S TL wheels on here. Some red brakes. I think these are powder coated brakes. Exhaust right here. It's all welded, but I cannot take this shit home because it's messed up. Damn, that's tough. What do you think about this, bro? I guess your boy's gonna head home empty-handed, but these tail lights looking pretty nice though. I'm not gonna lie, they're looking really nice. I might take them off. What you think, man?
You should.
Shit in here. All right, yeah, check this out too, guys. This shit manual transmission. I think someone already took the transmission out because, like, I don't know if it's supposed to be this shaky. I don't even know what's going on here. I might just take the airbag. This shit, my emblem right here is kind of messed up. Damn, this is just sad. All of these cars. Oh shit, is this a Honda over here? Hold on, boys. What can we salvage from this Honda? God damn. Beamer, boys. I think this is the Beamer. Yeah. E30, E40, I think. No, it's E30. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna get hurt. Got some wood around here. I guess someone took the whole front end. Unless the whole front end is not there because it got wrecked really bad. Honda, boys. Look at this VTEC. RIP. This RSX. F11. Yeah, F in the chat, boys. What happened?
Something.
Oh, shit. Shit, man. I would have. It probably had a Mugen grill on it. Or a Mugen shit. Oh, is this seriously styrofoam? Jeez, bro.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, God. Okay, let me open up that shit. Don't even got the door handle. Where's the door handle at?
I always see it on TikTok and they're always automatic.
Really? Well, maybe the base model ones. Type S is like all manual. How do you open up the hood for this shit? Hey, do you know how to open the hood for this car? I mean the trunk.
You pull it.
From that side? I don't see anything here.
Underneath. Look underneath.
You pull this gas thing?
No, look underneath the. Look to your left.
Uh-huh.
It should be up there.
I don't see shit. Wow, the burger. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Top 3.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Hey, you pay for that shit, boy. Thank you, man. Wow, the burger. Here it is. I picked up the Euro R lip, and it still looks kind of stock to me. I can put on the Mugen grill I took off, which I actually will put on just to compare. Cause I was gonna sell this grill for $50, but it might not be a bad idea putting it on here if I color match it. What do you guys think? It's not color matched. It's the y'all know what I'm talking about. This is when you just buy a new part and it's not even painted or anything. The fitment is really good. I'm surprised it fits well. Shit, there's kind of a cut right here, but that's no problem.
That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem.
Huh?
That ain't no problem.
Well, because if water gets in here, there's like enough room for it to come out. I need to get some Gorilla tape so it would stick on better, and I think that would be, yeah, that would work way better. But this, from this type of thing, it's not even bolted on or anything. It fits on perfect. Still, I thought it would bring my car a little bit lower, but it's all good. All right, here is the Mugen grill with the Euro R lip. It looks really bad. Well, in my opinion, it doesn't look that good to me, and it also doesn't fit that well. So if I bolted on properly, a big piece would be hanging out, but I just forced that shit in there. Let me give it to you guys in this angle. There you go. I'm still gonna put the pictures up of the before and afters. But let me know what you guys think about this grill. Do you guys like it? Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Keep it on? What should I do, guys? Please let me know. I don't have it up on jacks because I don't have any. I mean, I could use a little small one I had there, but I don't know how to open it. And I'm sure the bumper is okay, just hanging like this. So let me know what you guys think. Does it look cool? It adds like a little diffuser effect there. I feel like it makes the back drag down some more, but it definitely makes the car even. Makes it even with everything with the side skirt, because this part is like raised up. And I can already tell, like I have a roll that's like this, but with the front lip on and this lip, it makes it straight. Jeez, that was like, this looks really big. I might have to, I don't know how I feel about this. This is really big. Maybe they made it an inch smaller. Let's see. I don't know, guys. You let me know. Should I take it off or should I keep it on? This side. Honestly, I think it's a little bit too much just because of its size, so I think I might just take it off later. I'm not gonna do it right now because I'm lazy. We don't have the lip on yet because I'm gonna take it to a shop to put it on because I do not feel like drilling into my bumper. Let me know, guys. Should I put an easy lip on here also? I've seen other cars do it. It looks really cool. Wow, this looks really good. It's like it's paint matched or something. Yeah. Okay, well, I'll pick up the vlog when something interesting happens.
You want a bean? I can make a big scene like I'm the dream. No 14, nigga, this 13. Got hella hoes like I stayed in Beijing. Bitch, I'm sick like the measles. Bitch, I ball like the Eagles. Y'all niggas looking like Schmeagle. Got a lawyer and a paralegal. Free little bump, too cliche if I